Well, this is going to be the first attempt at starting it. Just put some fuel in it, hook the battery on. Fuel pump is not primed. Nothing's really primed up. Haven't even burped all the air out of the coolant. I just want to see if it makes noise. Did a temporary fuel line. It's what I could find today. Did order the stuff for the stainless steel connectors. But it does turn over. I did try that yesterday. So clutch is in. I don't know how long it takes for that to prime or if it's even doing anything, but that is the fuel pump running. Sounds like she's all there. Hell yeah. Just rev her a little more. Just a little more. There we go. First try, and it starts. Sounds like it's running good too.